Athens is a city of dreams. Home to 3 million people, finding your way around a busy city can be a bit of a challenge. Through this video, today we will walk through the alleys of Athens, the cradle of civilization, find out its appearance, see the highlights of Athens, that is, what is definitely worth doing, the food that should be tried, etc. Many thanks to those who have watched our previous videos and have already subscribed, and those who are new to our channel, be sure to subscribe. To watch previous videos of Athens, you can check out the Athens playlist given in the description box or by clicking on the right side above the video. Let's not delay any longer. Let's start our Athens expedition. The beginning of the video, let's find out where Athens is and whether it is safe to visit. Athens is a very safe city. You can easily wander around here during the day or at night. Athens, the capital of Greece, is located in the southern part of the country. Athens is called the birthplace of Western civilization, which originated about 3,400 years ago. The closest airport to Athens city is called Athens International Airport. It is approximately 33 kilometers far from the Athens Central. It is very easy to commute between the Athens Airport and Athens Central Syntagma Square. Option 1. Taxi takes 35 to 45 minutes. It costs in between 35 and 50 euros. Option 2. Metro or train takes 40 to 45 minutes. One-way ticket costs 9 euros, including return ticket costs 16 euros. Option 3, bus. Called X95 Express Bus, takes 45 to 60 minutes. Cost 5.5 euros one-way ticket, round trip 10 euros. We would suggest to travel by train, as the train is very comfortable, and if you want, then it is a good option to avoid the traffic jam. Note: the day ticket does not cover the airport transfer ticket. The best time to visit Athens depends on how cold or warm you prefer. In the summers, July and August, the temperature rises to 35 to 40 degrees, and it is very crowded. On the other hand, in this time frame, everything remains expensive, such as hotel, etc. Other sides, if you want to avoid the crowd, visiting during the months of November to March will be perfect for you. It is quiet, hotels are cheap, and the city is undercrowded. Here comes our recommendation: visiting between April and June or September to October. During this time, the weather remains warm but comfortable, warm enough for swimming, less crowded after August rush, calm, perfect for sightseeing and walking. Let's talk about the highlights of Athens. Let's start at the heart of Athens, the Acropolis. The Parthenon, perched atop the hill, is a living symbol of history. Built in the 5th century BC, it was the temple of the goddess Athena. Areopagus Hill is located northwest of the Acropolis Hill. It is a high, rocky hill from which there is a great view of the city of Athens. The Roman agora was an important market and administrative center in ancient Athens, built during Roman rule. It was essentially the heart of public life, where commerce, administration, religious activities, and social gatherings took place. Ancient agora. It was founded in the 6th century BC. Democracy began here, as it was here that citizens gathered to discuss policies, laws, and administrative decisions. The philosopher Socrates walked and debated in this agora. Monastiraki Square, on one side is the kingdom of old things. On the other side is the wave of modernity. Here you will find souvenirs, local art, and a vibrant atmosphere. Syntagma Square. The changing of the guard ceremony is held in front of the Greek Parliament building. This site is a source of pride not only for tourists, but also for locals. Plaka and Anafiotika, the old city of Athens, with its narrow streets, colorful houses, and small cafes, is like a movie set. It is often called the neighborhood of the gods, because it is located just below the Acropolis. When you hold them together, you feel like ancient Greece, and modern times come together in one song. The Academy of Athens is one of the most prestigious cultural centers of modern Greece, and one of the most prestigious intellectual centers of the country. There are huge sculptures of the philosophers Plato and Socrates sitting next to the entrance. Mount Lycabettus is the highest point of the city of Athens, and it is the most amazing view of the whole city. Athens isn't just about history. It's also a city of taste. Greek salad, moussaka, and souvlaki. Every dish tells a story. A price for a meal here costs 8 to 15 euros. If you want to try a souvlaki, it will cost you in between 3 to 5 euros. I would definitely recommend Greek salad, which would cost 5 to 10 euros. Athens has a good transportation system. There are buses, as well as metro and trains. You can easily reach Athens Central from the airport by bus or metro. A day pass, which is valid for 24 hours, costs 4.10 euros. A 5-day pass costs 20 euros. Don't be surprised to see overcrowding on trains or buses, as this city is home to a lot of people. Note: the day ticket, or the 5-day pass, does not cover the airport transfer ticket, as I mentioned earlier. Some personal recommendations, or you may call it advice, or attention. Number 1, beware of florists. We have already encountered this florist twice. At first they will say it is free, but later they will ask you for money, and if they do not like it, they might create an unwanted scene.
No, we don't need it. No. Thank you.
Number 2, beware of the child beggar. Suddenly, a little girl came in front of our camera and danced for a while. Then she asked for money. We completely ignored her. If you help one person with money, the next one will come. Number 3, be very careful when flying drones. especially near the Acropolis. Last but not the least, please wear comfortable shoes while visiting the Acropolis. We would suggest to wear walking shoes, just not only sneakers. Since the Acropolis is located at a high altitude, there can be strong gusts of wind. If possible, visit early in the morning. You will face less crowds then. These were our comments and experiences about Athens that we shared with you. We hope that our advice will help you plan your Athens trip. If you liked the video, please like, share, and subscribe to support our channel. Catch you next time. Ciao Bella.